Hello students, good morning. So let's start today's class. First of all, I want to tell you one thing. Dear student, in our all videos, we started our class from the solution of homework, and in the last current homework. But from today, we are going to provide you your solution of the homework and the new homework in PDF form that you will get. So today we will directly see the topic and we start our lesson. Yes student, you can see here is the new lesson for you, chapter 4, our environment. Our environment. So first of all, in this lesson we will discuss about the environment. What is environment? And my dear student, in our environment many types of living beings are here, and different types of activities are also here. In this lesson we will discuss the effect of our all activities means the activities from which many types of pollution is there on the earth. So we will discuss in this lesson about all types of pollution on the earth. So let's start. First of all, we will see what is environment. When we look around ourselves, we see many people, plants, animals and many more things. Dear student, when we look around ourselves, what we see? We see many people, plants and animals and many more things. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. All the things which are living or non-living make our environment. The air we breathe in, the water we drink, and the place where we live are all parts of our environment. So my dear student, all the things which are there around us, either the things are living or non-living, all the things are there in environment, and adding all these things our environment makes. So what is environment? Everything around us in our environment. The air we breathe in and the water we drink and the place where we live are all parts of our environment. Everything around us is our environment. Means all the things which we can see are included in our environment. And next is, many times we throw waste. This waste pollutes our environment. Yes student, in our daily life we use different things. Just for example, when we wake up in the morning, what we do? We brush our teeth, we take bath. In brushing teeth, what we use? Brush, toothpaste, and when we take bath, soap, and bucket, mug, and all the things. So when we wake up in the morning and when we go on the bed in the night, we use different things in our daily life, and all the things are produced in factories. So, and the wrappers of all the things and the waste of all the things we put here and there. So it creates pollution. Many times we throw waste. This waste pollutes our environment. When we throw waste here and there, it pollutes our environment. Anything that is of no use for the environment, anything that is of no use for the environment and causes harm, it is called a pollutant. What is pollutant? Here we will discuss about what is pollutant. All the things by which our earth, our environment get polluted, that things is called pollutant. Just for example, in air, when harmful gases mix up in large amount, it create pollution, and the pollution is called air pollution. In the same way, when dirty things mix up in the water, and by this what creates water pollution. So first of all, we will discuss about air pollution. First of all, we will discuss about air pollution. What is air pollution? Air gets polluted due to various human activities. Yes, student, I told you, pollution, we are responsible for the pollution, and our activities are responsible for the pollution, like smoke given out of chimneys, smoke coming out of vehicles. Yes, student, smoke coming out of vehicles, bursting firecrackers. It is asked, it is requested, don't use firecrackers in Diwali time or any time because it pollutes our environment. So our environment works as a lungs, works as a lungs. As in our body there is lungs, in the same way environment also works. So air pollution, polluted air pollution causes many breathing problems like asthma and bronchitis. Asthma and bronchitis. In this condition, the patient feel difficulties in inhaling and exhaling the air. You can say in respiration. So we should plant trees to make the air pure. Dear student, if there is any problem on the earth, there is also solution. So if we create pollution, so it is our duty to control the pollution, to reduce the level of pollution. So when we talking about air pollution, how can we reduce the level of air pollution? By planting more and more trees. By planting more and more trees. Why? Because trees and plants release oxygen and absorb harmful gases that we create. So if anybody asks to you, how can we reduce the level of air pollution? The most important thing is plant more and more trees. Next is water pollution. Many human activities lead to water pollution. Yes, students? Many human activities lead to water pollution. When we have any garbage, we throw it in the water, and buffaloes and cows moves into the water and they makes water dirty, and the water waste material, liquid waste material of the factories drained in water bodies. By this different activities, water get polluted. Water pollution causes many diseases. Water pollution causes many diseases. Which type of diseases, beta? If we drink polluted water, we might get diseases like stomach disorder, stomach disorder, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. So these all are the diseases. The cause is water pollution. And my dear student, other thing will be we will see in our next video. So keep seeing my videos and have a good day.